We are at row 11 and 12. Put in our fringe, have our white weaver ready, making sure even. We start at the 2 warp ends, and so we did 2, 1, 2, 2, and 2, and we're going to end on the 1. Put in our black loop fringe, make sure it's even. Right, try to go as close to the other loop fringe. Do a double turn over 2. Take the top black and white, take the bottom black and white, put that up for row 12. Row 11 is going over 2, double turn black 2, over white 2, do that double turn, 2 white, black, double turn black, and white. Need to do that double turn, white. We have black, double turn, black, and we have white going over 2. So here we did on row 11, black going over 2 twice, white, black, white, black, and then white went over 2 warps. Now we're going to go over 4, so we need to do a double turn with our white, over 4 warps, and then it's the starting of black going over 4. This is where I'm going to do a count of black going over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to do a double turn for it to go over 2. And now we're going to follow these bars. So we know this is 2, double turn, 2, back, going over 2 warps twice. The white is going over 2 warps twice. Black is going over 2 warps twice. White 2 warps twice. Black over 2 warps twice, and these are going to sit right up there. This is a good time to look at your weaving. Make sure they're going in the angles. Triangle is being developed as you're weaving. is the triangle. And we're ready for row 12. So we are on row 12, and I know this row needs to start with 4 black, so I'm going to take the white, go over 2, so the black could go over 4 warps, and I know that's going to be 3 times of black. There's 1, 2, 3. From the pattern, we know that black goes over 4 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then it goes over white 4 warps twice. So there's 1 set. I'm going to do a double turn, so white can go over 4 again, and then we know from the pattern that black is going to go over 4 warps 10 times. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we'll grab these sets and finish that row. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There was our double whites of 4, and then 1, 2, 3 of 4. Just a fun way. And this is like my little notes to myself. I know that black went over 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I did a white double turn, and then black goes over 10 times. Just a fun way to decode some of the weaving.